everyone. So I'm out here doing just a little bit of garden maintenance, but I wanted to jump on really quick and share with you some of the seeds that we have that has came in for our next season. But I'm going to go ahead and start them pretty much in the next month and a half. Now, you guys, I'm going to tell you a quick story because I know you probably see the sun in the back, but it's really windy today, and I got my hat and my scarf on. Quick story. When someone older tells you to do something that is beneficial and will help you on down the line, do it. Like my grandmother used to tell me, put your hat on your head when it's cold and put a scarf on, and don't be walking outside with your chest out. And I would do that while I was on the porch getting ready to go to school. But as soon as I got to where she couldn't see me, I would pull that hat off. And let me tell you, to this day, when the wind blows like it's blowing right now, my ears ache so bad. Like I tell people, as long as my ears are warm, which you see I got my hat over my ears, as long as my ears are warm, I'm fine. Like I don't have on a jacket or a coat. I do have on a scarf because of the wind. But if they tell you to do something and it's beneficial, do it, because I still pay for that till this day. But I just wanted to share that with you, because I know y'all are probably looking at the sun like, why does she have that scarf and hat on? Because it's windy. So anyway, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I put more day-to-day pictures on there of what's going on around the home on the inside and the outside. But I also shared a post a little while ago about confessions of a seedaholic, which I think that really relates to me, because y'all, I have been getting seed catalogs in. I'll look at them and I'll say, oh wow, that is so pretty. Like the pictures on there are so beautiful. Like I am imagining that in my garden. I go check my seed inventory and I'm like, you got enough seeds that you can plant. Don't buy anything else. So y'all, I close the book and I go to bed. And for some odd reason, when I check my email the next morning, I have an email saying, thank you for your order. I'm serious. Like, I'm like, oh wow, did I order that? It's like I just transform into somebody totally different, and some kind of way I just order seeds, which is what I've been doing. And I haven't even gotten all the seed catalogs yet, but the pictures are so pretty. But I'm not going to show you everything I have, or I'm not going to tell you about it. I'll let you see my little pile right now. But I wanted to show you a couple of the varieties that I'm going to grow next season. And I also wanted to ask you guys, have you ever grown some of the things I'm going to share with you? And if you have, make sure you comment below and let me know how was it when you grew it, because I definitely can use some feedback. So let me go ahead. I'll start and show you what we got and some of the new things that we're going to try. So I got everything kind of lined up here. The two companies that I have ordered from thus far is Eden Brothers and Park Seed. And this is ridiculous, y'all. Like, look at that. This is crazy. And I should be ashamed. But this is the thing. This is the major thing I wanted to get on and ask you, because this was something new that I have never seen in all of my years, but I want to try. Have any of you ever grown a potato from seed? I will I'll try to get the picture and put it up here, but this is a potato from seed. Normally you grow it from a seed potato, like a potato, but this is the actual seed. So I wanted to give this a try and see how it turns out. So if you've ever grown a potato from the seed, let me know and let me know your experience. Now I got a lot of herbs because I want to incorporate more herbs, and summer savory was one that I really have not tried before. So if you've grown summer savory, let me know how you like it. Let me know how it tastes. I've gotten the basic herbs like my sage, my thyme, my oregano, but I've never tried summer savory. And then I'm actually gonna grow borage this season too. But I wanted to grow some more beans since I had a really good run with the cowpeas. We are going to grow some bush lima beans, y'all. I love lima beans, so we're going to grow some of those, and then we're going to grow some of the burlato beans also. They kind of remind me of pinto beans. I just got a whole bunch of alyssum because I grew that last year and it was so pretty. So I just want to kind of have just a carpet of sweet alyssum growing. So like I said, most of these are all different herbs and flowers. Just a couple of, I've grown pepperoncini peppers before. They had these in Italy when we were stationed, y'all, and they are so good. They actually had this recipe where you take like the pickled pepperoncini peppers and you like fry the chicken, but you don't fry it all the way. You take it, you cover it with foil, you put some of the peppers in there with the juice that goes with it and bake it. Y'all, it is good. I'll have to do another video on that one once it gets growing, because that is such a good recipe, and like it is really good. Like I buy pepperoncini peppers now at the store and do this recipe. That's how good it is. Okay, so from Park Seed, I just got a couple of new varieties that I wanted to try. Like for example, the yellow hybrid tomato. I'll try to flash that picture up there. Basically, it grows in a container, but y'all, the picture has so many tomatoes on there, and I'm like, it would be wonderful to put this in a pot and just walk out. Kind of like my Tidy Treats tomatoes. That is one that I'm definitely growing again next year, because they just produced and produced and produced until I pulled them. They slowed down a little bit, but they were really producing, but I had to use that space for my garlic. So these are all just different varieties of seeds. I'm growing zinnias again. If you want an easy flower to grow, you can't go wrong with the zinnias. That's like the perfect summer flower. They're very easy to grow. I know I got marigold seeds, but I ordered like a couple of the AAS winners, and the Big Duck marigold was one of them. They actually had a sale. I think you save 15% off of all the AAS winners, which is all American selection. Those are the types of fruits and vegetables that has been tested, and they have just crowned them as like the winner. So I did order quite a bit of those. I'm just thumbing through, y'all. I'm not going to show y'all all of this. We got verbenas. I grew that last year, and a couple of petunias and Gerber daisies. That's like one of my mom's favorite flowers, so I'm just growing some of those. So anyway, y'all, I'm not going to keep this video long, but the main reason why I wanted to make it, so if you've grown potatoes from seed, let me know, and let me know how it was. And then we're just getting started. Like I said, again, I'll probably start everything from seed. I'll make sure I link my video, because we did like a grow rack that I start inside, and we have lights on it with timers. So around January to mid-January, we're just gonna have a room full of seeds. Some seeds I start from soil blocks, some seeds I start from like the cells. Mainly the smaller seeds, I'll soil block those because I have better luck. But let me know, when do you guys start planting seeds for the next season? And as always, thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you like this video and also share it with a family and a friend. If you're not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber, so make sure you tap the bell so you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.